My name's Jenny Allen. I'm a renal research registrar working at the moment with the Nottingham AKI Research Group. I've been in this role now for just under 2 years, and my main task has been to be involved in the design, the recruitment for and the implementation of a group of studies looking at biomarkers to detect acute kidney injury, which is a rapid deterioration in kidney function that occurs over hours to days in patients usually who are in hospital.
Despite the fact that Jenny hadn't had a background in research prior to coming out of programme with us in the Nottingham AKI group, she's really taken on this project with characteristic and really impressive enthusiasm and hard work and skill, and she's also taken part in all other aspects of the study, including designing the study and some of the more technical aspects. She's presented preliminary data at various national and international meetings, and she's really been a credit to our not only to the research team but also to the Nottingham Renal and Transplant Unit.
It's really flattering and encouraging to be recognised and to realise that what I'm actually doing has potentially improved the research group's output, particularly with quite high levels of recruitment that we've managed to achieve. And it's just really flattering to have your involvement in that recognised.
I'm Kaz Henry. I'm a neonatal clinical research fellow and a paediatric doctor. I'm currently working on 3 different trials at the moment. The main one is one called Heartlight, trying to see whether a heart rate sensor can be incorporated within a hat that can be used straight after birth.
We work in a particularly challenging area for NHS research, studying newborn babies who are usually critically ill and children who are critically ill. And we've been working on technology translation for a number of years, and Kaz has really taken in her stride. She's developed new ways of recruiting families, usually at a time when their children or their babies are extremely sick. She really has accelerated all of our projects quite quickly through the last 3 years, delivering on over almost 200 babies and children recruited to studies alone that she's been involved with. I've been very lucky in working with her for the last 3 years, and had no hesitation recommending her because she does an outstanding job.
Recruiting is really difficult in these trials because there's a lot of high emotion involved when a baby is going to be born, and if there are problems that are anticipated. I would love to think that what we're doing really makes a difference, and I think it will do.
Thanos Aratis. I'm a clinical lecturer in surgery. I've got an interest in vascular surgery. The vast majority of my research is translational clinical research, and clearly it's got to do with vascular surgery. Our group has got an interest in aortic research, and my main study so far has been a clinical trial which is going through its pilot phase. It's called Hydra-P. And essentially we're trying to find out whether aggressive intravenous hydration and a big dose of intravenous bicarbonate can prevent kidney injury after endovascular surgery.
What Thanos identified was that actually kidney injury is remarkably important, and we're probably underestimating the amount of kidney injury we cause at the time of surgery, and this is having a long-term effect on our patients. So the work he's doing is actually identifying very simple ways of treating this kidney injury around the time of surgery, and by doing so what we think will happen is actually that we're going to benefit our patients in the longer term beyond the time of surgery. He's gone way beyond his expected roles, and he's really contributed in a major way to the recent success of our unit in delivering portfolio studies, not only for national studies, but also developing our own studies locally.